Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Jules by Google. In order to do so, here we are at jules.google.com. Here's where you're going to want to head. Let's go ahead and check in with our assistant with the comment browser by Perplexity so that we can find out more about Jules by Google.
Let me check on that. Jules by Google is an autonomous coding agent that works asynchronously in the cloud. It clones your code base into a secure Google Cloud environment, reads and understands your entire project, and performs tasks such as writing tests, fixing bugs, building features, updating dependencies, and generating audio change logs. It integrates with GitHub and provides a visible plan and reasoning before making changes. Jules also has a command line interface and a public API, letting developers integrate it into their own workflows. It's currently in public beta with usage limits.
And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our referral link to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.